In the decades ahead, politicians will implement straightforward quotas to limit the flow of new arrivals. Traffic to Ellis Island slows, and by 1954, immigrant processing moves into Manhattan. And Ellis Island, the gateway to America, closes for good. Stands as a beacon of hope. And this small 3x5 card is a reminder of the determination and cunning of the many immigrants who came to pursue a better life in America. Fossils and fire engines. A tale of survival and triumphant arrivals. A stunning betrayal. And magnificent creatures of the sea. Wondrous objects, each with a gripping story to tell. These are the mysteries at the museum. A prehistoric monster holds the clue to an Ice Age